Ayan, so settle down. And we're now down to our next.
Kayo guys?
Relax muna kayo. Meron tayong water and Nestle sa likod.
Yes,
So,
thank you Nestle for sponsoring our event. Oh,
Yes.
parang hindi provider.
Okay, so before tayo mag-proceed sa ating next activity, is that we were able to capture this afternoon. So Ma'am Alma and Sir Melvin will be giving our appreciation, a sign of our appreciation to Ma'am Peach Galoca. Palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am.
Yes!
Thank you so much, Ma'am.
Again, don't forget to use our official hashtag, that's MDSI Layag. So pag-share nyo yung pictures ninyo, itag nyo rin yung page natin.
Yes, hashtag MDSI Laya.
Okay, palakpakan naman once again to our beloved speaker,